Folding a towel represents a major leap in coordination and sensory processing for machines. US-based startup Kinisi Robotics has addressed this challenge by demonstrating its KR1 humanoid robot folding laundry autonomously. Unlike traditional automation, which relies on rigid, pre-programmed instructions, the dual-arm KR1 uses kinesthetic teaching. Think of it as a hands-on apprenticeship. Operators physically guide the robot through the task, allowing it to associate visual input from RGB cameras with corresponding physical actions, without requiring explicit code for each movement. This approach enables the KR1 to handle deformable materials whose shapes change continuously, one of the most persistent challenges in robotics. Rather than relying on fixed geometric models, the system learns consistent manipulation patterns from demonstrations, allowing it to repeat the task across varied starting positions. The application extends well beyond household scenarios. Designed with logistics and retail environments in mind, the KR1 applies demonstration-based learning to unstructured settings where adaptability is critical. This development reflects a broader shift toward flexible automation, in which robots can take on material handling tasks that have traditionally relied on human dexterity.